Hello traders, and welcome to our Practical Vedanta and Trading video series. It's Thiru Nagappan here, founder of Master the Markets Elite Traders Conference and the Traders Open Day. So today's topic is on the 3 R's for success. Now, what are these 3 R's, you may be thinking? You see traders, the first R in Sanskrit is known as sadhana. Okay, and sadhana, we can call it in the R word as a routine that you follow before your trading process. A routine is very important for traders. Most traders all around the world, especially the very professional ones and the millionaire ones, all have a routine. So that is what we call sadhana. You can have a pre-trading routine and post-trading routine too. And we talk all about that in our workshops too. The second R actually represents that it's not only important to have a routine, but you must also have repetition too. So you must keep repeating your routine so that it becomes part of you. Because think about it, right, traders? If you just have a routine and if you don't follow it, what's the point? Now, the repetition is the key to ingraining it into your whole psyche so that you can achieve consistent performance. Now, once you have the repetition, then we carry on to results, the last R. Now, once you have the results, the routine, the repetition, and the results need to be monitored, and if they're not your preference or they're dropping below your past performance, then you look back into the routine, how to optimize it so that then you can repeat it and get the desired results. Okay, it's a whole lot of process that you got to continuously look at. So that's the 3 R's. Do contemplate on it. Use it in your own trading process too. It is very, very useful. It is very, very important. And as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.